This is my new 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath duplex. Your own driveway, your own separate private garage. This is your entranceway. There's even baseboard heating in the entry room. Staircase to the basement where your utilities are, and the other part of the duplex. Go in here. You have a full bathroom. And you have an alarm, but it's not hooked up. Closet, wall-to-wall carpeting, brand new. Renovated kitchen, quartz countertops, stainless steel refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, microwave. This is your rear yard, where hopefully the owner will put some flowers back there in the next week or two. And that's your own private backyard with a staircase coming up. And you have 2 air conditioners, one here, wall-to-wall carpeting here, walk-in closet. Okay. Now we're going to go downstairs, the spiral staircase. This is your 2nd bedroom, or it could be a living room if you don't want the bedroom. You have Verizon cable. Your powder room is right here. Okay. And your own private washer and dryer. So you don't share this with anybody, where everybody else, they have a cage, but this is more convenient. Got plenty of storage here. Okay. And you have another entrance here to get to the rear yard, which is up the staircase. And that's your rear yard, which we're going to try to get some flowers planted there. And you're right next to the Douglaston golf course, so you can play golf if you'd like. Now we can go down this way. This is your entrance from upstairs to get down to the basement. Now we go this way. These are the cages for all the other unit owners or renters. And here's your utility room. That happens to be your boiler, very efficient. And this happens to be a brand new, fairly new Whirlpool hot water heater. Everything's gas. And that's it. That looks good. So if you're interested, give me a call. And 516-647-4289. Thank you. Phil from Turnkey.